Good morning, brothers and sisters. Today is Friday, June 20, 2025. Our daily gospel, St. Matthew chapter 6, verses 19 to 23. We will just read the very core of our message in verse 21. For where your treasure is, there your heart will be also. The gospel of the Lord. Our message, treasures in heaven, kayamanan sa langit. First, God is the true treasure with a great and divine value in every heart of the believers, not temporary or worldly treasure. Ang Diyos ang tunay na kayamanan na may dakila at banal na halaga sa bawat puso ng mga mananampalataya, hindi pansamantala o makamundong kayamanan. Second, storing up your treasure in heaven is seen without hesitation through caring for the well-being of others, serving in the name of Jesus, and loving your neighbor. Ang pag-iimpok ng iyong kayamanan sa langit ay makikita ng walang pag-aalinlangan sa pamamagitan ng pangangalaga sa kapakanan ng iba, paglilingkod sa pangalan ni Jesus, at pagmamahal sa iyong kapwa. And third, gladness, genuinely or sincerely and generously giving, not stingy, greediness, and selfishness. Kagalakan, tunay o taos-puso at bukas palad na pagbibigay, hindi madamot, sakim at makasarili. Good morning and God bless us all.